marry this. I want to. You have done enough for me. You've been fetching water for me all this while. I don't want the villagers to start talking that I've bewitched you.
Of course you've bewitched me. Your love is stronger than any spell.
Obim, I know. You're a kind-hearted man. But then, I insist. I want to carry...
No, stop. I'm not complaining. What's your problem? The villagers can wail and cry all they want. I do not care. And I don't want you to care too. Let's go.
Thank you. Obim, wait. I hope you're not doing all this for me because we are not married yet.
How do you mean?
Because most men stop loving their wives. After childbirth disfigures their body.
Huh. Why would you think I will stop loving you? Because of childbirth? My love. Our love was ordained by the gods. And nothing shall stand in between that love. I love you forever. I will even love you more. Who said that?
Okay, we need to.
I love you more. Okay?
To get everything good in this village. Why? She has so blinded as wicked that he cannot see how much I love him. Why? He can. Hey.
Akugo.
What? What are you doing here?
I can see you're troubled. Is there any way I could make you happy?
Okay, Zie. You still have not answered me. What are you doing here?
Akugo, don't ask me as if you don't know. I love you. My heart loves for you.
Okay, Zie. What do you want from me?
Akugo, make me happy. I want to marry you. I can take everything from you. I love you. Will you marry me?
Okay, Z. I do not love you. I will never love you.
Akugo.
Take your proposal to Willie Maidens in this village.
Akugo, it is you I love. It is you I want to marry. Please.
Okay, Zay. Are you okay? Are you normal? I do not love you. Leave here, please. Let me not transfer this anger on you. Leave this place.
Akugo.
You're still here.
Akugo, you must marry me.
Ewu.
Akugo, you must love you.
Huh? Wow.
Azubike, what is it that is pursuing you?
Papa, I saw them.
You saw them?
Yes.
Wait. Where did you see them? And who did you see?
I saw the 4 women. The 4 blind women.
Which 4 blind women? You mean the messengers of Amagudate?
Yes, Mama.
Where did you see them? And who did you see them with?
I saw them at Yagwa Road. I had Obiamaka.
How many times have I warned you to stay away from that girl?
Papa, is that why you slapped me?
Oh yes. I will do worse than that. If I see you again with that idiot, I will not only slap you. Azubike, I will cut off your head.
Bam! With an ofwabo on the headless body.
Now get out of my sight! Woman, we are in trouble. Azubike seeing those 4 women with his eyes is a taboo. I don't know.
Messengers of Amagudate. Hey! Azubike.
Papa, there is something I do not understand.
What is it?
Is it bad for one to see those old witches?
Shh, me. Just shut up. How can you be talking like this? I forbid you to speak ill of the messengers of Amagusa deity. Eh? Do you know what you actually saw?
Speak ill? What wrong have I done? I saw them. Are they not humans?
Hey, Obiamaka, they are not ordinary human beings. You can only see them when they are on a mission.
So why are you bothered? Probably they're on a mission to somewhere and that was why we saw them.
But you don't talk about them like that.
Obiamaka, you are just a kid. You are a kid. Look, just pray that their mission does not involve any of you that saw them.
Papa, that one is their business. It is not mine at all.
Papa, what's it? Why is everyone like this?
Ask your sister. She returned to tell us that she saw the messengers of Amagu's deity. And she's speaking rubbish.
That's a bad sign, Papa.
Bad sign? How do you mean? Oh.
Someone might die in this kingdom of something.
No. I reject it. Nobody will die in my family.
Amen, no.
Not us.
You and who saw them?
Azubike and I. Yeah. We saw them along the road when we were coming back from the stream.
Sister Obiamaka, don't take this lightly. For you and Azubike to see them, there must be something wrong.
It is none of my business. I don't have any problem with them, and obviously I believe they do not have any business with me either. If there is anything attached with someone seeing them, it doesn't concern me. And I believe it doesn't concern Azubike too. So what's wrong?
Is a maybe go this girl.
Mama, big up maka. And I'm coming body more.
I can't live and watch Obiamaka marry Azubike. No. I know Azubike loves me, but that witch has bewitched him. I will never allow that to happen. Never.
Akugo. What is troubling you?
I'm fine.
No, you are not. I just walked in here and you never noticed my presence. You were absent-minded. Ogini.
Obiamaka, I just had a brief thought over something. But I'm okay now. You are welcome, my friend.
Are you sure you are fine? Are you? Anyway, something very important brought me to your house. Please, tell me. Is there something wrong if someone sees those 4 messengers of Amagu deity? What is it?
Why are you asking me this type of question? Why?
I'm asking you because we saw them. Azubike and I saw them yesterday when we were coming back from the stream.
Abomination. Those women can't be seen anyhow. They are bad omen in this community. I hate them.
I don't understand. Bad omen how? Eh?
Obiamaka, it's a sign of something terrible that will happen. It's either someone is going to die in this community or they have a message from the gods.
I reject it. May the gods forbid. Yes. Neither Azubike or I will lose our lives. God forbid.
Obiamaka, it might not be any of you, but your relatives. Did you tell your parents?
I told them.
And what did they say?
Exactly what you just said, but I'm confused. Why? We haven't done anything wrong to them, and nothing will happen to us. Nothing.
Yes, nothing will happen to any of you. Nothing.
But my question is, why must they appear to us? Of all the people in this community, why us? Why? What I do not know will not know me.
One. Okay, I wasn't ready.
Okay, let's go again. All right. Yeah. Aqua draw.
It's a
draw.
Draw, abi.
Chase man you. Let's go again. Oh yeah. This one na Baka. Bakare Madrid. Let's go. Let's go.
Hello. My strong man. It always gladdens my heart to watch you wrestle.
Welcome.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you?
So lovely to have you here.
Yeah.
At least to watch me train.
Yes, I'm happy to watch you train. And you?
Oh, my name. I'm here.
Okay. Wow. You know, I have no doubt in my mind that you can wrestle the gods and come back victorious.
That is me. That's how Star do.
Yeah. You're a strong man.
You see, your love gladdens my heart. It gives me strength. It makes me stronger. It makes me walk with my head high, knowing full well that I can conquer any battles. Be it in the east, in the north, in the south, and in the west. Azubike will always come back stronger.
Yes, because you are a conqueror.
I am a conqueror.
Yeah.
I have the muscles to conquer.
Yes!
Oh, you are one of a kind.
And wait, I made your favorite.
You can say that again.
Yes! Hey!
Abacha
agwara nazo.
The willpower gives me the strength. Or go and punch the tree. Punch the tree 30 times, then you can come and...
I'm tired, though.
Before... No.
Eat.
Please, I'm sorry if I kept you waiting.
It's okay.
I also want you to forgive me if I haven't been concentrating of late. The love I have for Azubike has consumed me. Please.
Obiamaka, so you have left our friendship to suffer in the hands of an undeserving man.
Undeserving, you say? Please, Akugo, do not use such word on my man. Please.
Seriously speaking, Obiamaka, men are not worth all the love we spoil them with.
They don't deserve us.
My Azubike is different. He deserves all the good promises of love. I even promised him more if he eventually wins the wrestling contest.
What did you promise him?
My womanhood. My virginity.
Obiamaka, don't be stupid. Don't be foolish. How can you even think of losing your pride to a man you are not sure of?
Don't even say that, please. Don't go
and
there.
why won't I say that? And who told you I'm not sure of my man? What is even your problem? You seem not to like Azubike. What has he done to you? Has he wronged you?
Nothing.
Then you better start liking him, because very soon he will be married to your best friend, whether you like it or not. What is all this? Please, let's go home for the meeting. Azubike. My mother asked me to come and collect axe.
Oh, okay. Just go to the backyard. It's there. No one is home.
Thank you, eh? Train where?
Okay.
Run inside and get me back.
Who is here? Azubike. Azubike. It's me, Obiamaka.
I waited for you to bring back the axe yesterday because I wanted to use it.
I'm sorry. The axe hit my leg and that is why I couldn't bring it back.
Oh, sorry, my dear. It's not serious.
Yes, it's painful.
Sorry. You need hot water.
No.
I hope I am not interrupting anything here.
Akugo, what is that supposed to mean?
I expected Azubike to answer this question, not you.
Hey, Akugo, that was harsh. Like you heard, she got injured with the axe, so I shouldn't care.
And so, Azubike, is your house a hospital? Let her go and treat herself.
Excuse me?
Shut up!
Please, I don't have your time.
You know what I am talking about.
No, don't worry. I will do it myself. You don't have to. Stop. So when you get home, okay? Use hot water and bam. And touch your meat, okay? So, just from the edge of... No. Sorry.
Don't touch it, please.
Sorry, it's okay.
Right.
It's okay.
Right. Thank you.
Alright. Sorry.
Obianuju, walk normal. Stop pretending. I know who you are. I'm a Monyebu. Walk normal. Flop body.
Hey, I don't like what you just did. Do not try that next time. The axe just hit the poor girl's leg, and all you can do is to talk to her like that.
But Azubike, your house is not a hospital. So go and treat herself.
But Azubike.
You just heard what I just said. Do not come to my house to try that next time.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for your...
Can I come inside? At least I came to see you.
Could it be that Akugo and Azubike is dating? If not, why would she talk to me in that manner in front of him and Azubike could not say anything? Man, cheating on your woman with her best friend. Should I run to Obiamaka now? No, it's gossip. Even at that, it doesn't affect me. Let me go to her. No, I might cause a very big problem.
Good afternoon.
Hold your greetings. I did not call you to come out here just for you to greet me. I don't need it.
Obiamaka, why are you so harsh on me? What is the problem?
Why will I not be harsh on you? When you have bluntly refused to mind your business. Now let me ask you a question. Are you aware that Azubike is my future husband?
Yes, I'm aware.
Thank you very much. Are you also aware that we will soon be getting married?
Well, that I am not aware. But what brought about all these questions?
What is bringing the question is that you have to stay away from him. Yes! Stay miles away from my man. The very next time I see you very close to him, even Meme, you will regret ever being born in this Amago. When you show him man. Nonsense. Boyfriend snatcher. Let me catch you with my husband again. Akugo, what is it? What is wrong with you?
shouting my name like a mad dog? Are you okay?
How dare you?
How dare you, Akugo? Hey. How dare me? What did I do?
What did you tell Obiamaka? Did she say that I told her anything? Stop pretending because you know what I'm talking about. Of course you told her something. So what did you tell her? I don't know what you are talking about. I didn't tell her anything. Akugo, listen and listen very good. The next time you will gossip with my name, the next time...
Stop pointing at me. Are you mad? Are you okay? Look at this thing, no.
Akugo, did you just touch me?
No, I did not. Hey, listen. The next time you point at me, I'll break this hand of yours.
Akugo, are you mad? No, are you insane?
Hey!
You know what? I will not fight with you. Yes! But the next time you will gossip with my name in this community, Akugo, I will show you the madness in me. Nonsense, useless girl. Easy.
I have heard you! And I've been waiting for you patiently! I won't get it. Look at her. Hi! Akugo. See Aqua. I'm so proud.
Obianoju, or again, what is it?
Mama, I will not take this. I swear I will not take it. If Akugo tries what she did to me again, I won't take it.
And what did she do to you?
She told Obiamaka that I'm going out with Azubike.
She did?
Yes, she did. And that gave Obiamaka the guts to insult me, Mama.
How come? Makana iya de eri onye ukwu ya na abara na ya. O de eri onye ukwu na afro ya na ya.
Mama, even you? Don't you trust me?
I trust you, my daughter. But the word does not proceed out of the mouth for nothing.
Well, she saw me at Azubike's house when I went to return the axe.
It's okay. Oh, stop crying. I will go to her house to talk to her. Oh, let's go. Smile now.
Why would she say that?
You are back.
Yes, Mama.
Welcome.
Benuju, what is it?
Your sister had a misunderstanding with Akugo.
Akugo? What is wrong with that girl? And sister, don't tell me you're crying because of Akugo. I am not crying because of her. I cannot cry because of Akugo. I can't cry because of her.
It's okay. Oh, let's go.
I told you not to come to the house. You didn't have to come.
I had to. I waited for you and you never showed up. I had to come. Wait. You're not dressed? Are you not going again?
No, I'm still going. I was still fixing my stuffs when you came.
Okay.
My love, please. You know we're still trying so hard for our parents to get used to our union. I just don't want problem at this time.
I understand you. But the most important thing is that we love each other. That is what that matters. And you know that. Please, let's talk about us. I'll miss you. I'll miss you so much.
I'm going to miss you too. I can't even stand leaving your side. Don't worry. When I come back victorious, I will come and marry you.
You will?
Mm-hmm.
What do you want from us?
is all this? Why do they keep appearing to us? Don't tell me to shut up! Why do they keep appearing to us whenever we're together? I don't like it. What wrong have we done? What? You are not going anywhere. You won't go for that journey again. You won't.
My love, if it's about them, do not worry. If they lie, let them trespass all they want. I will go and I will come back victorious. Don't worry.
My problem with you is that you're stubborn. Whenever they appear, it signifies danger and you won't listen to me.
My name is Azubike. Atoromema. Okay? Don't worry, I'm fine. I will go and I will come back victorious.
You don't listen. You will never listen to me. I'm telling you that...
Greetings, Azubike. I greet you.
Hi.
Did you see them?
Did I see who?
You didn't see the 4 women?
Wait, you just passed here now. Are you trying to tell me that you didn't see no one?
No, I saw no one.
How?
We have to go. Now.
Obiamaka, you're making me scared. Who are you talking about?
The 4 blind women. They just passed us now. And you're saying you did see them?
But I didn't see them. But I don't want to see them. Me, I'm going.
You see what I'm talking about? Please, my love, I don't want you to go. Listen to me for once, please.
My love, what I want you to do for me right now, promise me you're going to do it. Run back home. I will go and sort things out now.
What's the meaning of that? I said I do not want you to go anywhere.
Just go back home. I'll be right back.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me.
Go,
Stop.
I'm coming.
Azubike. What is wrong with you?
I'll be right back.
Azubike! 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 You wouldn't listen. You wouldn't listen to me.
I'll miss you so much.
I'll miss you too. But you have to be strong for me.
Okay? Will.
I will go and I'll return before you know it.
Thank you, Obim. Please, one more thing. If you see anyone who seems stronger than you are, please run to the back. Do not fight anyone that is stronger than you. I don't want anything to happen. I know you're a strong man, yes. But please, I want you to come back pale and happy.
My love, I will. My name is Azubike. Nobody is stronger than Azubike. Even Great Kali.
Who is Great Kali?
Great Kali is a wrestler just like me. Ndotu John Cena. All of them, nobody can stand me.
Oh, really?
Yes, my love.
I'm so proud of you. I know you're a strong man. You always make me very proud.
Just like I'm going to make you proud again.
Azubike Njeko. The only man that makes me strong.
I am. So, you know what you do for me? Go home and be strong for me. I'll be back before you know it.
I wish you're not going to leave me. I wish so.
My love, let me go and fight. They're waiting for me. Be strong.
Obim! Obim! I love you! Please stay away from trouble! Thoughts of my forefathers, please protect Azubike for me. Do not allow anything happen to him, please. Azubike is back!
It's again. Azubike is what?
Yes, Mama.
Are you serious?
Yes, Mama.
Hey! Is that why you are excited?
Hey! Hey! Azubike, you are welcome to your father's land. Hey!
Mama Chelugodio, did any other thing happen?
Bianwoke, do you know what it means to go for a wrestling contest and come back? Do you know?
Mama, the excitement should have been if he had won. Yes.
Mama, he won, oh. Azubike won.
Hey!
Parents have thrown out a welcome party for him. Almost all the people of Amago are there.
Hey! Go and put water for me to bath. Because I am going there now. Hurry up.
Okay, Mama.
Hey, Inukura.
You're the first to go for a war and win. Mama, sit down, let me play to your hair.
Yeah. Where you want to go? I am so happy. Hey. Chimo. Mama, see your water. Will I bath here?
Are you sure this girl is okay?
Where is she even rushing to?
Mama, I've put the water. I'm going back there. No, come here, yeah. You're going back where? Mama, I want to go back there. You're going nowhere. Aya, go to the kitchen. Go and prepare something for us to eat. Very fast. Are you still here?
Don't beat her now. What is it? Don't beat her. Chiruma, you are getting. Don't worry. After cooking, you will come and meet me there. I am going there too. Okay, why are you angry?
Mama, put your head to enemy.
Yeah, put them to an enemy. Okay, it treat to be missing.
I'm so happy, my love. Welcome back.
I'm so happy to see you too. I'm glad I kept to my words.
Yes, you are indeed a man of your word.
I couldn't concentrate, no free love. I left part of me.
Oh, baby.
So how were you able to survive?
It was not easy for me, but I thank the gods. I survived. Oh, baby. Oh, Tom. Oh, Tom.
I'm so happy to see you.
So happy to see you too. I miss you.
I miss you.
What's that?
Were you scared?
Yes,
I don't want to know. No one. So how is your family?
Everybody's fine. I'm so happy.
It wasn't easy, but I thank God we were able to conquer.
You wanna go?
My love.
Okay, see. You again. Eh? What are you doing in my father's compound?
Akugo, stop pushing me away. I have come to give you the bushmeat. My trap cut for you.
All this for me.
Yes.
Yeah.
I love you so much. You know that.
I have warned you to stop disturbing me. I do not want you or this your stupid bushmeat. Hey, listen. If I ever see you anywhere around my father's compound, I will do something that even the gods will be marveled at.
There is no problem, Akugo. You are doing this to me all because I love you.
Hey! You're leaving without this bushmeat. Eh?
Akugo, I brought the bushmeat for you. There is no point taking it back. You can take it. Even if you don't give me back the love I'm asking from you, you can take it.
Thank you. Hey! Come. Take back your bushmeat. I don't want it. Oh, bad luck.
Akugo, I'm not taking anything.
I said, take your bushmeat.
I'm not taking it. Akugo, I'm not taking it. Akugo, I'm not taking it. I'm not taking it.
Take your bushmeat.
so.
Can't be serious. Of course I am serious, Azubike. You will be going to your grandmother's house. You will help her all through the farming season. And you will only come back here after harvest.
Okay, fine. Fine. But can I at least think if I'm going to go or not? Can I?
Azubike, the choice is not yours to make. Mban, we have had a long talk over this.
You had a long talk without me?
And that is why we're telling you now.
So, no, Papa, they don't do things like this. Alright? Well, I understand that it's my grandmother we are talking about here. But you can't be assuming things. You have to ask for my consent first. You seek for my consent. Because it looks like you're commanding me.
Azubike, go and prepare. You will leave first thing tomorrow morning. Azubike, I will kill you if you try that. I am your father! Listen, how dare you make decisions ahead of me? How?
I am not making any decisions ahead of you. It's my life we are talking about here. Why are you making me feel like I have no right to make decisions? Huh? You know what? If I'm not traveling with her, I am not going again.
And that is why I say, keep quiet. Shut up!
Where's it coming from?
It's coming from my mind. Leave him.
I want to let you know. No Koro Listen, whether you like it or not, I remain your father and you cannot make decisions ahead of me in this house.
But maybe I don't used to like okra. Even Mama knows. So all this okra is not good.
Can you hear your son? Can you hear your son?
Your son. What is it? Son, okay?
Yes. Cheer up, please.
Azubike, do you want to kill me? Please don't go. If you leave me, I will die.
My love, don't say that. You will not die. You will not die.
I am telling you that I will die. I will not survive it, Azubike.
I am not going there forever.
I cannot cope without you. Don't leave me. Please. Please.
My love, please. Please, I need to help grandmother. She's old. No one can do the farming except me. Please, I will be back before you know it.
You prefer to stay with your grandmother when I'm hurting. You want me to die? Please, no, beg you.
Stop, please. Don't be like that, please. I am not going to stay there forever and ever. I'm still coming back to be with you.
My problem is that I love you too much. I can't just stay.
You think I want to leave you and go? Is that what you think?
But that's what you're telling me already, please.
My love, please.
Oh, you want to go? Oh, yeah, go. Leave me and go. Go and stay with your grandmother. Go.
Why are you doing this to us?
Azubike, I love you.
Mommy, I love you too. I love you more than you know. But I just need to go there and come back for you before you know it.
Okay, Azubike, look me in the face and tell me that you want to go. You want to leave me here and go. Tell me.
I really don't want to leave you, but I have to go. I'm helpless at this point.
Please. Leave me. Leave me. You're very wicked. You're very wicked. You're very, very wicked. You want to leave me here because you know I love you very much. You want to leave me and go. Go. Just go.
Please. Look at me. Look at me. I am going to come back for you. I won't stay long. Just 5.
Go. Just go. Go. You want to go, right? Just go. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Go. It's a far journey. I have to go there. Now, please, just go home. Go home.
Leave me alone. Go. Azubike, please don't go. Azubike, please don't go. Don't go.
Why did you have to leave me? Azubike, why? Why did you have to leave me to be lonely like this? What wrong have I done to you? How have I offended you in this our relationship? Why did you have to leave me? Why?
Wait, I want to climb.
No, don't.
No,
Don't.
I will. I'll climb.
No.
No.
Okay.
I'll climb.
Wait. What are we going to call this love now? Love from above.
No.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Love from the Tree. Yo! Okay. All right. So,
okay.
Let's take it easy.
Are you coming down? I don't want to go down.
It feels good in here, though.
It feels good, very good. Okay.
Where I have it.
You have it?
Okay.
Okay. Oh
So, now we are down from the block from now.
Oh yes!
This is love from above. This is love from the air.
That's nice.
You are the best thing that has ever happened to me.
I thought Azubike is your better half, that you both can do without each other.
Of course now. Or do you have any problem with that?
Am I mad? Why will I have a problem over something that does not concern me?
Obianuju, Ilencha. What is your problem? Is it your headache? Why are you asking her that stupid question? Why? Why?
Asili, was I talking to you? Was I talking to you? I mean, if Azubike really loves her as she claims, why did he leave her and travel?
For your information, Onya Asili, he never left me. He traveled and he will certainly come back to me. You are showing me right now that you love my man. The very next time I see you very close to Azubike, I swear by the gods, I swear by this river, he doesn't love me. It is you he loves.
Bianca, it's not like that.
It is like this. If it is not like that, it's like this. Why will you poke nose into my private affairs? Why will you tell me that my man does not love me?
Obiamaka, it's obvious that Azubike does not love you. Why are you forcing yourself on him?
He does not love me. How do you know that he does not love me? Hey! Hey! Now I know that what Akugo told me about you is true. Let me get you where my man is.
Lencha, boyfriend snatcher.
Shut up there.
People are talking, you still want to talk.
Obianuju, I can take anything from you. But you see that Ewume that you always call me, better stop it because I won't take this very one from you again.
And I will keep calling you Ewume. Ewume. What will you do?
Obiamaka, you are my weakness, so. You see this Mboeke standing before me. I will so beat her mercilessly and drown her into this river.
Ifunanya, umekita Ifunanya. Let your hands touch me, then I will show you the madness in me. Are you mad? What is the problem? Was I talking to you? Asili, was I talking to you? Is your name Obiamaka? Look at this riffraff. Obianuju, Ngwa. Okay, if her hand touches you, what would you do? Let her try it now. Even you are welcome. Be my guest. Both of you are worthless before me. Try it.
is wrong? Is there a problem? Did anything happen while I was away? Why are you keeping quiet? Papa, tell me, what is wrong? What happened?
Biamaka,
What? I don't understand.
the mothers, the oldest mothers, the messengers of Amagu's deity, they were here a while ago.
Those witches that has refused to die. What did they come for?
They came in search of the next sorceress.
The next sorceress. What has that got to do with us? It doesn't concern us. We don't have any business with them. Is that why Mama is crying?
My daughter, I'm sorry.
How? Papa, what is... Wait. Oh, no, no, no! No, Mama. This is a joke. This is a joke, right? Papa, this is a joke!
I wish it is. Unfortunately,
no, no! This is not happening! I mean, this will never happen! No! 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 I will not be anything! I will not! No! It will never happen. No! No! How? No! I can't! I can't! No! Never!
my daughter, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that the gods have chosen you to be the next sorceress of Amango Kingdom. I'm sorry.
Sorry? Father, did you just say you're sorry? Sorry that some bunch of old witches walked into my father's compound and proclaimed me the next sorceress, and you're telling me sorry? Father, what am I supposed to do with sorry? Answer me! Sorry that I will be confined to the shrine for the rest of my life. Sorry that I cannot be able to get married and give you grandchildren like you've always wanted. Why are you telling me sorry? You are my father. You should stand up and behave like one. You're telling me sorry. Father, there are so many maidens in this community who will take this opportunity. I am certainly not the one. I am not the one. I cannot be the next sorceress of Umagu Kingdom. I cannot. I will not. Ah. No.
Biamaka, my daughter, I share your pain. I really would want to carry my grandchildren. Unfortunately, in this case, you don't have any choice. You don't, because once the gods have spoken, there's nothing we can do.
And who says I do not have a choice? Father, it's my life you're talking about here. And I have every choice to decline this offer. Father, I can never be the next sorceress of Amagu Kingdom. I cannot! I mean, I will not! Never!
So free food on melo, onyembulo biana. Fanando mulo mo, rapo muno bimbawa. Hebesia makwano kwero, velum didi no perepe, onwelo kosiafo. Fanalo mulo mo, ibeba kwano perepe, velum didi no perepe, onwelo kosiafo. Analo mulo mo. ebe fire no obulu bemu. Jesia nke fire we obulu ngemu. So free food omwelo onye mbulo biana. Fanano mu love mo, rapo mu no bimbawa. Hebesia mrakwano kwero, velu ndidi no kwerepe, onwelo kosiafo. Fanano mu love mo. Ibeba kwano kwerepe, velu ndidi no kwerepe, onwelo kosiafo. Analo mu love mo. Ibeba kwano kwerepe, velu ndidi no kwerepe, onwelo kosiafo. Analo mu love mo. Ibeba kwano kwerepe, velu ndidi no kwerepe, onwelo kosiafo. Analo mu love mo. Ibeba kwano kwerepe, velu ndidi no kwerepe, onwelo kosiafo.
Ifunanya mo, imo, ifunanya mo.
Imo.
Sogi kam ganado.
Sogi kan ganado.
You don't have the voice.
Sogi kan.
You do not have the voice.
Sogi kan.
Who can fly it on Peggy? Who can fly it on Peggy?
Just jibby.
I know.
No, just any dance, yeah?
Okay.
Shake it for me.
I don't know how to. Don't please here.
Where are you coming from?
I went to see my friend.
Azubike, where are you coming from at this time of the night?
Mama, I just said I went to see my friend.
Your friends or your sinful partner. Azubike, you think I did not see you with that girl frolicking in that bush? You think so? I saw you with my eyes.
Azubike, why?
Now listen. Let today be the first and the last time I will see you with that idiot.
Papa, I'm sorry to say this, but that is not possible. She's the love of my life.
She is a deceiver. Which maiden will take a man into the bush for unruly act like that idiot called Obiamaka?
Papa, you're taking this all wrong. We just went in there to talk. Nothing serious. You're just taking it too wrong, please. It's not...
Let me not see you again with her. Ekucham. Our son, he is stepping on a dangerous ground. We had an agreement when he was born. Now he is deviating from it because of his entanglement with that idiot girl called Obiamaka.
What do we do?
We have to do everything humanly possible to disengage two of them. That is the only way.
Now you do whatever you want to do. Take whatever decision you want to take. You know I'm always standing behind you. Huh? I'm always behind you. This night is too long for us to be deliberating on the Azubike's issue. Let's go inside. What's the meaning of that laugh? Stop it.
Let's go inside.
So free food on melo, onyembulo biana. Fanano mo love mo, rapo mo no bimbawa. Hebesia ma kwano kwero, velu didi no perepe, onwelo kosiafo. Fanano mo love mo. Ibeba kwano perepe, velu didi no perepe, onwelo kosiafo. Analo mo love mo. Ibeba kwano perepe, velu didi no perepe, onwelo kosiafo. Analo mo love mo. Ibeba kwano perepe, velu didi no perepe, onwelo kosiafo. Analo mo love mo. Ibeba kwano perepe, velu didi no perepe, onwelo kosiafo. Analo mo love mo.
Talk to me, what is it?
I have been chosen to be the next sorceress of this community.
That is impossible. They say only virgins become sorcerers. And you are not a virgin in this community.
I'm still a virgin.
Akugo, you are lying to me.
Why should I lie to you?
You said you were going to give it to Azubike the other day. Have you forgotten?
I told you I was going to do that, but I never did. I never had the opportunity to.
Who else, if not my soulmate?
You have your way with words, my love. I'm sorry if I kept you waiting.
It's okay. You're so beautiful.
Thank you. And you are so handsome.
Actually, the morning will never be complete without you. Because of the sun rays that shines through you.
You're making my head big.
Oh, but that's true. No sunrise except my baby's here.
Thank you,
Have
babe.
you
Today is a special day for us. Today, I want to give you everything. Everything. We have to go.
Are you sure we should go like that?
We have to. Someone is here. Let's go. That was how we never had the chance, even after that day.
Are you saying the gods may be responsible for the distractions?
I am not saying anything, Akugo. I'm so bitter now. What wrong have I done? I cannot be the next sorceress. This whole thing is all false. I can never be the next sorceress of this community. I cannot. I'm a young maiden. I have a life to live. A life filled with a genuine love. How can I throw all that away and be confined to the shrine for the rest of my life? Why me? Why should I be the one to be chosen of all the young maidens in this community? Why?
But Obiamaka, they say
It's an honor to be chosen by the gods.
Apugo, do not ever tell me something like that again. It is nothing good. It's a curse. And I will never be part of this. Excuse me. Apugo.
Gods are wise. Thank you, gods of our land. Thank you for paving way for me. You knew all along that Azubike belonged to me, which is why you took Obiamaka away. Thank you, gods of my father. Thank you very much. Obiamaka, let me see how you will marry him from the shrine. Yes, let me see how you will marry him from the shrine. Hey, Azubike, nwoke bụ sọ mma, afọ dị mkpa afọ ogologo imi ya. Negonu ka o si enwu ka anyanwụ ụtụtụ. Hey! I knew all along that we are destined to live together. I knew it. Don't worry about Obiamaka. I will show you greater love than you ever received from her. Don't worry. Nga akwa gị ka, nga apa gị ka akwa. Hey! Chimuchi.
But did she agree to serve the gods?
Does she have a choice?
But Mama, are the gods not making mistakes?
Okay, will you shut up your mouth?
No, Mama. Why on earth would the gods choose a young girl? Instead of an old woman? Mama, she's right. Yes. The gods should have chosen an old woman as a sorceress instead of a young girl that has a bright future.
I can see you both are now growing wings. This discussion is over. Let's change the topic. Or better say, in fact, just get out of my side. Get inside, that's what I mean. Get inside. I don't blame you. I've started discussing with you people up here. I ain't back on. Nonsense.
Just that this village, I don't...
I think give me a job. In the open account.
Sister, are you afraid? I don't understand. Afraid of what? Obiamaka, of course. Why should I be afraid of her? Maybe when she becomes the sorceress, she might turn up against you. You think so? Yes. That is what I'm thinking. The gods are wise.
The gods are wise.
Let them be wise.
I still consider myself as your friend, even though you now see me as an enemy.
Please, say whatever it is you have come here to say and leave. Please.
Obiamaka, I just want you to know that whatever Akugo told you is not true. They are all lies. Well, I came here because I heard what happened. You're still a young girl with a bright future. Do not make a mistake by accepting to serve the gods. Yes. Why would the gods choose you in the first place? They should have looked for an old woman, not a young girl like you. Obiamaka, you are my friend, and I will tell you the truth. Since I heard this news, I have not been happy. Yes. Please try everything possible to decline their offer. You can't just serve the gods.
I never believed something like this would ever come from you. You were a good person. Really?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please, I want to also use this medium and apologize to you for the embarrassment I gave you the other day.
It's okay. Moreover, I know you're fighting for what is yours. Even though the message Akugo told you wasn't true. They are all lies.
Thank you very much. What do you think I can actually do to decline this offer? I don't want to be a priestess. This is the only thing that has been giving me sleepless nights. I don't want to be. I can't be a sorceress. I don't want to be. Please, what can I do?
Do you want my candid advice?
Yes, now.
Okay. Run away from this village if they didn't see you. Yes. If they didn't see you, they will choose another person. Oh, please. Do not say I told you.
Never.
Please.
Never. I'll think about it. Thank you.
Oh, all right.
I think she has a point. You'll have to also.
My daughter Obiamaka, there is nothing you can do about this. No matter what you do, you cannot run away from this task. Once the gods have chosen someone, they don't reverse their words. So please.
There is no way she can serve the gods. She's the only sister I have.
I said shut up. What do you know? Shut your mouth!
No, Mama, I can't. Sister, please. There is no way you can accept that. Don't ever accept that. You're too young for that kind of rubbish.
I know. I said shut your mouth. What do you know?
Ezebwilo, which kind of dangerous advice are you giving here? Are you inviting the wrath of the gods on you?
I don't care, Papa. The gods are not being fair.
I said shut your mouth! You're getting on my nerves. I will hit you.
You don't have to stress yourself.
I will never serve the gods. They can come and kill me if they want. I won't serve them.
Obiamaka, my daughter, you are still talking like a kid. Eh? Look, the gods will not kill you because they've chosen you. You are their own.
Sister.
But look at me. Your mother and your brother. They can decide to kill us because of your refusal. So please.
Sister, don't be deceived. I would suggest you run away from this village. Probably when the gods have chosen someone else, you can come back to us.
Go. Will you shut up there? What kind of advice are you giving her? Huh? How can you advise her to run away? Hey, that's the dangerous. Don't listen to him.
Papa, nothing will happen. You are sounding as if you're scared.
Yes, I'm scared.
I guess this meeting is ended.
Yes, it is. But go and prepare. The gods have spoken. There's no dealing of
my sister.
You are not losing anybody.
Is she going to die?
I mean, get out from here. Stubborn good. What happened to you?
I'm fine, I'm okay.
You're fine and you screamed?
Yeah, I'm sorry, it's just the wind. I'm fine.
Wind. It's just the wind. And you screamed.
Mama, don't worry, I'm fine, I'm okay. I don't know what it is.
What's wrong with him? Nai, what do you think?
Mama, what is it? Look at my body. Take a look at this. What is this, Mama? I just woke up this morning and I saw all of this on my body.
What is this?
I don't know.
Did they eat you?
No, it just comes out. Mama, what is this?
Isabel, I don't know. But don't worry, okay? I'll get some herbs, squeeze and apply on them. They'll all clear, right?
Mama, I'm scared.
What is scaring you? It's nothing. It's nothing. Let me see your stuff.
Take a look at my body everywhere. Mama, I'm scared.
Don't worry. Let's go inside, alright? It's nothing.
Obiamaka, I want you to be strong. Nothing will happen to me. I believe the gods wants to threaten us.
Do not worry, Ezelino. I will be strong. I believe so much in my heart that nothing will happen to you. I cannot lose you, please. I can't lose you.
Ezelino, how are you doing today?
Apple God. As you can see, I'm getting better.
Sorry, oh? You will be fine. Oh?
Thank you.
Obiamaka, are you alright? Eh?
How can I be alright? You can see that my brother is unwell. How am I supposed to be alright? Tell me.
Obiamaka, you sit here and watch your only brother to die. You are wicked.
How can you say such a thing? How can I possibly want my own brother to die? Please, don't worsen this situation for me. I can't want my only brother dead. I can't do that. Please.
Look at you. What are you even saying? Look at you.
Akugo. Akugo.
Akugo, nothing will happen to me.
I'm sure you heard him. He has full faith in the gods. He just said that nothing will happen to him. And nothing will happen to him. Please. Abena merum kia the worst. Biko.
Obiamaka, if anything happens to your brother, they will force you. Even now, as it stands, they might force you. So I suggest you run away from this village. Yes. If they look for you and they couldn't find you, they will choose someone else. Obiamaka, you're my friend. I don't want you to become a sorceress.
It's a very difficult decision to take. Very difficult. But I'll try. Thank you so much for everything you've ever done for me. And I'm sorry for ever treating you bad.
It's okay. It's in the past now. Obiamaka, I'll be praying for you, okay?
I need your prayers. I will also pray for you too.
It's alright. Mama, there's something I don't understand.
What is it?
Why did you ask us not to cry? And I noticed that Obiamaka's parents did not even cry. Why?
Because he was killed by the gods.
Mama, Are you saying that if someone is killed by the gods, no one cries for the person?
Yes, it's our tradition.
So what will happen if someone cried?
Death. The gods will kill the person. Even his corpse will not be buried.
So, what will happen to the person's corpse?
They will carry the corpse to the gods.
Mama, this is Obiamaka's fault. Yes, it is her fault. If Obiamaka had accepted to serve the gods, that boy wouldn't have died.
And if she doesn't come out, somebody else will die. Soon.
Mama, why? That is wrong. Innocent ones? Mama, why? Why is it so? Why?
The ways of the gods are not the ways of men. Oh, Nnem, please warm the food for me. Oh?
Okay.
When you refuse to please the gods, you will be in trouble. Hello, Melo, hello, Melo, hello, Melo. Obola kijiji nada mi feneso suanani. Nekwa no sukodo. Nekwa no sue, nekwa no sukodo. Gods of our land, I present this corpse to you. Tarumu! 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 Papa? Mama? Mama?
Owa josie befayana obulo bemo. Owa josie nke fayewe obulu ngemo. So fifu tomwelo onye mbulo biana. Fanano mulovo mo rapo muno bimbawa. Ebesia makwano kwero velu ndidino. siafo analomo love mo. Ibeba kwa no kwerekwe welu ndidi no kwerekwe onwelu ko siafo analomo love mo. Ibeba kwa no kwerekwe welu ndidi no kwerekwe onwelu ko siafo.
Obo, this is the set time for Obiamaka to be christened. The gods await her arrival.
Obiamaka! Obiamaka!
No. She's not responding.
Then go inside and wake her up. Go and call her. What is it?
She's not in her room and all her clothes are not there either.
Where could she have gone to at this time of the night? Where did they go?
Wise one, what do we do?
The future of our Magu kingdom lies on her shoulders. She must be brought back for christening, else there will be grave consequences.
And I will do everything possible to make sure she comes back to this kingdom. She will be brought back. It is a promise. Where could she possibly be?
I don't know. No one saw this coming.
The gods will forsake us if she is not found.
Your Majesty, I know that the only relative the father has lives in Amege. Probably she could have gone there to hide. I will suggest we summon the father here for questioning. Or alternatively, we send the guards to Amege to look for her.
I think I will just send the guards straight to Amege to fetch her.
My dear friends, it baffles me that Obiamaka will run away from this village just because she don't want to serve the gods.
Honestly, I am surprised.
Do we blame her? Every woman's dream is to get married to a rich hunter or a wealthy farmer. Obiamaka must have thought of getting married someday before they forced her to become our next success.
I know, but it is often said that the gods owns us and they decide what they do with us.
Ogonna, if you are to be her, would you leave Ikemba to serve the gods?
Yes, answer the question. Will you leave such handsome man to serve the gods?
Wait, I don't understand. Is that your wish for me?
No.
Is that what both of you are wishing for me?
No.
So stop it, stop.
We are just asking you.
Don't ask, please.
Okay.
You don't play with such things.
Okay.
My dear, the story you told us is a touching one. How could your parents force you to marry an old man just to pay up his debts to the man?
I still cannot explain why my own father was so mean to me, wanting to sell me off to a man who is even older than he is, just because he wants to pay his debts.
My dear, it's all right. Don't cry. Everything will be fine.
Please, can I ask for a favor?
Please, my daughter, go ahead.
I'm ready to do anything for you. I'm ready to wash. I'm ready to farm for you. I'm ready to cook. Please. All I need is a shelter over my head. If I can stay here, at least for the time being. I do not want to go back to my village. I do not want to marry such an old man. Please. Bikono.
My dear, we welcome you here. You can stay as much, as long as you want.
Hi.
Feel free. My wife will take very good care of you.
Thank you, my husband. Let's go inside.
Oh God, God bless you.
When will you stop crying, Obiamaka? Everything will be fine. Let's just hope that old man dies before you go back to your parents. Maybe then you have the opportunity to marry that man of your dreams. Okay, so stop crying.
What if the love of my life gets married to another woman before the old man dies?
Say that.
Why will I not say it? Why? I wish I listened to the love of my life and gotten married to him before this whole thing happened. I wish.
My dear, this is not the time to apportion blames. Everything will be alright.
It's not as easy as you think. It's not as easy.
Ijoma.
Have faith.
I miss my parents.
Ijoma, take her inside.
So that she can take her bath and change her clothes.
When I was in Madikeja Akugo. What a poor girl.
My love, I'm so sorry things happened the way it did. But it won't be long before I come back to you and marry you. And we will live and grow old together. I have a birthmark inside my heart, and you are that birthmark. Sleep well wherever you are, my love.
Listen to me, please. Help me. You can help me. How can I possibly kill the two people that gave me shelter? I can't do that. I did not kill them. Please.
Young lady, this is order from the king.
And we cannot disobey our king.
We must drown you to
Oh, because you don't drown me. I have not done anything. No, because no, I'm sister. Please don't do this to me. I beg.
Oh, I just hear before Obulu bemo. Oh, I just yanke fire with Obulungemo. So free food on melo. Onyembulo biana. Fanano mulo fomo. Rapo mulo bimbawa. Ebesia mapano pero. Velum didi no pere. Onwelo kosiafo. Fanano mulo fomo. Ibeba kwano pere. Velum didi no pere.
She's not okay. I have a feeling that she's not okay.
My love, are you okay?
My brother, this world is wicked. It is how Ikenna and his wife lost their life.
This life is extremely wicked, so no one can render help anymore.
To help a stranger is now something else.
Thank the gods of our land that our king took the right decision. If not,
yes, such a soul deserves to die.
And I believe by now fishes must have been doing some injustice to our wicked body.
So, that's that right.
Igwe, please do something. Our children are dying.
Igwe, do something. Igwe, do something.
Servants of the gods, you are welcome. I sent for you to appeal to you to help our children, lest they die.
I cannot heal them. Only the sorceress has the powers from the gods to heal them. The mantle awaits her, And until she accepts it, Amago will continue to be played.
O gods of our ancestors, what do I do? Obiamaka is nowhere to be found. The people are suffering for her stubbornness, and the kingdom of my forefathers is about to collapse under my watch. I wish the gods can make another choice. What if she doesn't come back? Is this how we will continue to suffer?
She's back. She's back. Obiamaka, your daughter. She's back.
My daughter?
Yes.
Where did you see her?
Along the road. I will show you.
Hey!
This way.
Hey! Hey, Chimo.
I have been chosen by the gods to stand between you and them. They have promised that as long as you remain faithful to them, you shall continue to eat the fat of this land. They also bring warning to you, warning of impending doom, should you fail to carry out all their wishes.